everyone. So medicine today I'm going to talk about is the arnica. You all know about this medicine, but still I'm going to talk about this medicine because I want to share my clinical experience, especially in the acute cases. I also want to talk about how I use in a chronic cases, and I will explain the same in a story form. First of all, I will talk all the clinical indications which I apply in my clinic, and then I will talk about mild symptom of the arnica, how I use this medicine in a chronic cases, and then I explain in a nice story form, which is your favorite part of the lectures. I know that. So let's get started. The first part is acute cases. This is, you all know that king of injuries means if injury, first medicine which come in our mind is a arnica. So this is hero. Annam Chaudhary sir says, Dr. Annam Chaudhary. This is the hero of traumatic medicines. True. So how I use this medicine in fevers. Fevers, the main indication to prescribe arnica is hot face with a cold extremities. Hot face or maybe head, sometimes hot upper body and the lower parts are cold with drowsiness. Patient may feel thrust also. Thrusty is a thrusty drowsiness with offensive odor of the mouth, putrid type of odor. All the excretions or the putrid in order, that may be a breathe, that may be a erectations, that may be a flats, that may be a stool. Everything is offensive, and with this fever, patient may develop also cough, and the cough of the arnica is whooping cough and very painful cough. Patient may, if the patient is a child, he cries before the cough because he know that he going to hurt if he cough, means he feels so much of a pain in the cartilage of the chest region, in this cartilage and all. So because of getting fear of getting hurt, this patient cries before coughing. And there may be a, this is one of the very good medicines for the herpes with a cough, especially in the facial region. Herpes with a cough, with this whooping type of a cough which hurts, and the cough aggravate especially in the night after sleep. Think of this medicine and this offensive smell of the mouth. So a cough is over, fever is, and epistaxis. This is one of the very important medicine in epistaxis. Patient may start bleeding from the nose after the cough or maybe after injury, any mechanical. And one thing you need to remember, whatever may be the part, that may be eyes, that may be a nose, that may be a stomach or maybe uterus or ears, if there is an injury, after that the patient suffer with a type of a heavy pain which aggravate by touch, or sometimes the hemorrhage is present, then first remedy which you need to prescribe, or first remedy you need to think about is the arnica. So this is one of the very good medicines for the epistaxis after injury. And the next one, it comes to the teeth. I want to give you a $100, means, I mean, golden tip for you. That is, if anyone comes to you after extraction of the teeth, give a dose of arnica, higher potency. They don't need any antibiotics or painkillers after the extraction of the teeth. I want to share my experience when I was in third year, I think. My mom got some severe pain in the teeth, and she visited a dentist, and the dentist advised her to extract, they will extract the three teeth, but they also told her that it is not possible to extract all the teeth, so we will extract one after the other. This week we will extract one teeth, after a 1 week we will extract the second one, and next a third one, this way. So They prescribed so many medicines. They asked her to take some painkillers and antibiotics before the extraction, 124 hours or maybe 12 hours, I don't remember exactly, before the extraction. And after the extraction also they prescribed so many medicines which costed around 500 rupees or something, I still remember. Okay, so first day she went to the doctor and they extracted the teeth, and they she um took all kind of medications which they are prescribed, and still there is a lot of a pain, nothing giving any relief to her, like she's bleeding and means so much of a pain, she's not able to eat anything, not even a liquid. She's like she's not even allowing us to see that is, because even if we touch or if we go near to her, she feeling like a so much, oh my god, that type of a painful, and she suffered a lot, maybe 3 or 4 days. After the fourth day or fifth day, it is subsided slowly. And the next teeth, and this time she is means she is not willing to go to the doctor because of this fear of suffering. She is she was at that point of time she was thinking that, oh my god, if I go to the doctor, then they will extract the another teeth, then I need to suffer. Maybe this is the thing, fear of a suffering, which is given in repertories also. I mean, fear of suffering. They this fear of suffering you also see in the cough also, like a child cries before cough, because of maybe in elders may you will not see that they don't cry, but they also feel oh, I don't want to cough, if I cough I will get hurt. This type of a hurt means injury, or maybe a painful bruised type of pain is present in arnica. This is the exact time when you need to prescribe arnica. So somehow I asked her to, you just go, mama, and I will give you one medicine. Don't purchase, don't buy any medicines. Don't buy any medicine. Just go and extract your teeth and come to home. That's it. And I prescribed her arnica 1 m, one dose, no pain, no bleeding, nothing. And after that incident, I prescribed arnica after tooth extraction. So many people, and always it gives the beautiful result. So remember this medicine after the tooth extraction. Maybe patient don't require the 500 or 1000 rupees of allopathic medicines, and it gives a beautiful results also. And next which part? Arnica is a treasure, right? If you ask me to talk, I can talk about the Arnica for hours, and because so many cases, so many experiences are there. So one more thing I want to share. One day, one of the my patients came to me with a eye injury. Eye injury. Someone accidentally with some instrument, blunt instrument, there is a injury happened, and there is a hemorrhage. And at this point of time I prescribed arnica 10 m, and with a beautiful results. And one more at this point of time I want to share one more case of my papa, my father's case. And they my once my few years, maybe 2 years back or something, they are about to go to my brother's place. He is in Singapore, so they are when they are about to go Singapore, just a 4 days before of their journey, my daughter just hit his eye with her fist unknowingly, and his eye turned into absolute redness and so much of a panic state, because there is a journey is just about 2 or 3 days after, and his eye is totally red, and it's almost like a hemorrhage and so much of redness. I will show the pics also. Still I have those pics. And at that point of time I did not prescribe arnica to him. I prescribed Symphytum. 10M potency, I think. 1M or 10M, I think. 10M potency, high potency. I don't remember whether it is a 1M or 10M. High potency, I prescribed him, and which he improved a lot within a 2 days itself. Completely his redness, and the redness is like a. I will show the pics. I think you can get those pics in my Instagram page also, I think, because I shared that pic because that is one of the very, I mean, very touching case because it's a case of my father, and that at that point of time that is very panic state in my whole family because everyone is worrying. Oh, they need to go to abroad at that point of time. What will happen if there is an injury or something? And you know, and this medicine relieved. Why I prescribed Symphytum? Because in Symphytum, in Ellen's keynotes, if you see, you get to see one a keynote. If infant just inserts or push his fist inside the eye or something is there, injury from the infant's fist, Symphytum is one of the very good medicines. All in Arnica also it is given in Arnica chapter itself. In Arnica, in Ellen's keynotes, it is given that Symphytum is one of the good medicines if there is an injury with a blunt instruments or with especially with the infant's fist. If someone does something like that and after that there is a redness and the hemorrhage, think about Symphytum. If in the same situation, if the eye turns into the complete bluish black curl, then think about the ladder. Okay, this is how you need to understand how to differentiate. If there is a bruised sensation, if there is a painful sensation, then prescribe arnica. So this is how you need to understand the medicine. This is how you need to prescribe the medicines. Okay, next in ears, if there is a hemorrhage, if there is a pain in the ear after injury, think about arnica. Here I want to explain one more case. Again, it's a my uncle's case itself. When I was in fourth year, I mean in student times itself, I remember, and he used to hear sounds, some kind of a sound throughout the day, 24 or 24 into 7. And he used to get so much of a pain, redness, heat. If you touch his in this part, it's so much heat. And the history is one. There was a time, few years back, he met with an accident in the train, some injury to his head. After that, he lost hearing capacity also, and this sounds with this heat, and he feel like some blood is rushing towards the brain. And not just we also can sense it, because if you place hand on this area, we feel so much of a heat. On this indication, I prescribed him arnica, high potency again. Super results, mind blowing results, mind blowing results. And arnica results are something which will enhance your confidence in homeopathy. Actually, first initially I thought that why should I discuss arnica? Everyone knows about it. Then I thought that it is very important medicine. Maybe you all know about this medicine, but this is so very important medicine. We need to discuss because there are so many clinically verified, strong 1,000, 2,000, 10,000 times proved indications are there. So this is really essential to discuss all these indications. Once one patient, one young boy, 19 or 20 years boy, came to me with his painful leg. He is a sports person and there is some injury. After that, it's 1 year passed, still he is not able to walk in a proper way. There is a lot of inflammation, and the bluish color, the whole area is in a light bluish, slightest bluish color. And I prescribed arnica 10M. Again, the superb results. He improved just in a 10 days. Just in a 10 days. No pain, nothing, which he used to suffer since so long, maybe from 1 year or something. He still remembers me. Or these are the cases patients will remember you forever. So these are the cases which will push you to work and study more homeopathy and more material medical. These are the cases which enhance your confidence. So many times I prescribed arnica to children who they get injury, and one infant came to me in Facebook or something. One lady texted me that there is some boil or something. This boil, this injury and patient and the that kid is not allowed. If the mother touches the head, and he cries like anything, and the slightest touch aggravates. And this happened because of some injury, because at the time of the delivery itself I prescribed arnica to the mother, not to the baby, and asked mother to take the arnica and asked the patient to baby to feed. So baby improved in just 10 days. So these are the cases which will enhance your confidence. So what are the other indications? Yeah, one of the very important medicines for the gastrointestinal issues, again the erectations are very foul, like a rotten egg type of a smell, with a loud belching, with this offensiveness, with the constipation, and the constipation and like a large accumulation of the stool, but the patient evacuate only ribbon type of ribbon type of stools, with offensive stools. Think of this medicine. Think of arnica. Don't forget arnica in gastrointestinal issues. Okay. And epilepsy, with the coldness of nose, uh, and so many things are there. Meningitis, hydrocephalus. Think of this medicine if these indications are present. If the patient is hot, heat in the face, hot face, hot sudden rush with a cold extremities, with the drowsiness, patient, if you ask any question, he answers, and again he sleeps. That these things I will explain in later part, in a mental picture. Again, the mental picture and the chronic cases of arnica is also very important medicine. Very important. I will tell you, explain you those that aspect as well. And evacuation of the stools at the time of a fits, epilepsy, arnica. And what more? Yeah, this is one of the very important medicines in a pregnant women. If there is a, threatened abortion after a fall, after injury, or any kind of accident, think of this medicine. Injury to the uterus, especially in a coition, accidents. Think of this medicine. Pain after coition, and give this medicine after a postpartum, after a delivery. There is a bruised sensation, so much of a pain in the uh, uh, vagina and the, yes, I personally used this medicine after my delivery. uh, Mine, it's a normal delivery, obviously. And why I said obviously means, as a homeopath we know what to take, what type. I never took any single allopathic medicine throughout my entire pregnancy, and it's a normal delivery. And after that I faced troubles a lot. Means so much of a pain in my, when lower extremities and the back and the vagina, everything is so painful that it is almost unbearable. I can say that unbearable. It is almost, I'm so restless and I'm not able to sleep properly. I'm just turning here and there because all the whole the body is so much of a sore. This is one of the very important symptoms in fever cases also. I think I forgot to inform you. In fever cases also, patient always restless, and they feel like a whole the bed is, they don't feel comfort. Wherever they're sleeping, they feel like it's hard. That type of a sensation you see in arnica cases. And the patient will give you expression like बहुत जोर से मार दिया जैसा लग गया, someone has beaten me up so harshly, I feel that type of a sensation people usually give in arnica. Or they are not just this hurt words they use a lot, and I will explain this concept in a while explaining the mental symptoms. And what next? Yes, yeah, I already told you about the constipation. And yeah, this is more or less all the physical symptoms of the arnica. I will try to explain this in story form also. And the things which you remember is that bruised or that injury type of a pains, very sensitive to touch, offensiveness, hemorrhages, critical stages. Think of this medicine. Thank you so much.